I hate traveling, but sometimes you have to. Thankfully, I found my travel essentials that make flying a little less terrible. So let's check it out. Losing my wallet in another country is in my top 4 biggest fears while traveling, and top 17 overall. So having a card tracker like Eufy's new E30 tucked in with my cards, passport, and cash, hidden inside my luggage without taking up any extra room, in my daily sling I take everywhere with me, my jacket so I can actually take it off, or other valuable assets, gives me the peace of mind I can at least find it when I inevitably forget it somewhere. It's water resistant, doubles as a phone finder, which I know you need more than I do, and offers a banger of a tune. Now, if you jam out too hard and too long, they finally included the ability to charge it. So while it's rated to last a year, you don't have to toss it out or replace it when it does run out of juice. Combine that with the durable build, you could in theory keep track of your sneaky links too. Honestly though, the best travel hack is to just bring an iPad with you. You can work, play, and stay entertained all in one device. So pairing it with a case that's not only ultra thin, soft to the touch, and can do this is a no-brainer. We aren't kidding either. MOFT's new Dynamic Folio is seriously thin, especially when compared to others side by side. It's like wrapping a very smart and functional piece of paper around your iPad, because once you snap the matching icons together, well bam. Ergonomics, baby. Lifting the iPad up about 3 inches, holding it all securely in place through my scientific poke tests. So you don't have to grow up looking like a villain with a hunchback from staring down at your screen all day. The floating theater mode is perfect for your lunch break, but flip it around and it becomes a leg mount too, because being hands-free is underrated. You can fold and slide it into place for portrait reading mode, or as I like to call it, doom scrolling mode. But the real magic begins once you unfold it. Not only for how quick and easy it is to swap between angles, it allows me to go from work to play in a matter of seconds. However, for the Gen Z that need a video playing in the background to stay productive, it's got you as well in the dual screen mode. Lastly, if you own an Apple Pencil, then you know the struggle of trying to remember where you last left it. Thankfully, their optional pencil holder ensures that it ain't falling off, unless you want it to. They've designed it to fit securely inside the case, but personally, the slimmed down ultra portable look is more my vibe. So you tell me, are iPads cool again, or are they still only for moms and uncles? Links and details down below. Have you ever been told that your carry-on luggage is too big? And although that may be the only time you've ever been told that about you, the brand Takeoff has found the culprit, because with this luggage, you can take it off. Get it? The damn wheels. They also sent some other goodies to test, but these are the star of the show. Or should I say, the wheel of the show. Wait. Anyways, they snap into place, and yes, I had the same first thought as you. Wouldn't they just snap right off given how luggage is yeeted around on planes? Don't worry, we simulated a luggage handler who's great at their job, and for the most part, nothing fell off on its own free will. Otherwise, it's got handles where you need them, and surprisingly lightweight too. Unzipped and inside, the wheels don't take up any space on the corners, and can fit about a week's worth if you flip your underwear around on some days. Compression straps, zippered pockets with mesh, and a plastic cover for potentially wet items, all secured in place with a TSA-proof lock too. Then the magic really happens. Bing, bop, boom, bang. Look, how you carry the wheels now is your own prerogative, because knowing your suitcase will now fit on the plane is a huge W when flying with anxiety. It's also super satisfying to pop back in. Next is a stuffable neck pillow, which is also a underrated travel hack. They advertise 3 extra days worth of clothes, so basically you never have to worry about running out of underwear. The exterior is a soft teddy bear skin, and they include a strap to make it a very cute worm bag. But their last travel hack is this 3-in-1 pillow. Slide it onto your luggage and it gives you pockets for drinks and essentials while you aimlessly wander the airport on your 14-hour layover, doubling as a soft AF pillow while on the plane, but hidden inside, well bam, a full blanket, aka invisibility cloak, with the case also doubling as a secret storage pouch too. So you would never guess I'm carrying a month's worth of clothes right now. Now, if there is one thing every iPhone owner needs, it's this. Not the carabiner, although I know you want that too. Adding a Project CB phone tether tab that can be a lifesaver for anyone with butterfingers, which you will probably laugh at how simple it is, borderline kind of stealing your money, but at the very least, they use a tough nylon material that's skinny enough to slip between your case and tough enough that even when bent, pulled and tugged at, I don't feel it ripping whatsoever. I performed all our advanced scientific testing methods and it passed with flying colors, never letting you down or letting you go. Plus, they also include a clear option so it doesn't stand out like a sore thumb when using a clear case too. Now the real beauty is how versatile it is. Attach accessories so you never forget them, strap it around your neck so you never drop your phone, accessorizing it with your favorite wrist straps, or my favorite, carrying your EDC tools around for the ultimate all-in-one daily carry. Oh, and don't worry, I tested a fairly thick USB-C cable, and like you, I was still able to fit it in the cramped hole too. Depending on how or where you're going, suitcases aren't always the vibe. That's when you need a really good bag you can trust to not only survive, but adapt to your needs. Filson is basically a household name by now, but if you don't know, they make tough gear for the outdoors and look friggin' awesome. That includes this 2-in-1 duffel backpack hybrid at 46 liters. It can probably carry more than some of your suitcases too. That's thanks to the soft shell giving you flexibility to fit oddly shaped shoes, jackets, and even pouches. With a vented and lined side pocket for the dirty underwear you don't want to wear twice, and a zippered organized pocket on the opposite side for your daily essentials too. When fully packed, flip it around back, pop out the padded straps, and wha-bam again. Surprisingly, it looks like an actual backpack and feels as comfortable as wearing a giant duffel bag can be, as the whole back panel is also padded for the somewhat hidden laptop sleeve too. We've had these sitting in storage for ages, so to pull them out and see they're still sold regularly, we had to test them. And oh boy, when they say waterproof pouches, they mean waterproof pouches. Even after a little waterboarding of my gear, the magnetic lid worked like a charm, keeping all my daily essentials drier than the heels of my right foot. And yeah, that's over $2,000 of gear and a priceless artifact too. The plastic design is waterproof, sandproof, washable, and touchscreen compatible too. Available in multiple sizes depending on what you're carrying and where you're storing them. Perfect for the beach, amusement parks, or if you just have kids. And yeah, they double as a sling bag too, although probably not the best to leave the clear side facing outwards. These are zip ties on steroids. That's the best way I can describe them, as they're made of a thick, durable silicone material that passed our yoga stretch test. It's all these holes that slightly trigger my trypophobia, but are genius when paired with their metal links, making the ultimate modular tie-down system for anything you need, well, tied down. Traveling, camping, storage, and even for survival too. The glow in the dark is just them flexing on you for creating the perfect strap and having nothing else to change about it. You can combine them to satisfy all your BDSM dreams, or add on their additional accessories like the special hook links too. Personally, it's my perfect backup belt after a 10 out of 10 buffet session. Sometimes using a wire is just better, faster, and stronger. That's what she said. Especially when the battery is almost as tiny as an AirPods Pro case, while packing 10,000 milliamps of charge and 45 watts of fast charging output. Honestly, the first that I've tested in this pocketable form factor, with a USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, combined with the included cable that doubles as a lanyard. You can power all your vibrating devices, so you can have a good time all night long. Plus, with 45 watts of output, this mini candy-sized battery can power a MacBook for those real late-night hands-free emergencies too. The braided cable is durable enough to be tossed around, and because it's attached to the battery at all times, it makes remembering to take it with you one less thing to stress about. This is a splurge purchase that you won't regret. Bellroy makes some of our favorite everyday carry, travel accessories, and even bags too. Not only does it look, feel, and taste good too, for my fellow pocket hoarders, you will have to keep it in your pants, as there's a sleeve, opening, and slot for every document, card, or receipt you travel with. Securely too, with its fully zipper design, except the giant quick access pocket around back, so you're not scrambling while boarding the plane. It's not a standard wallet that you would carry with you daily at home, but if you did, the full grain leather, clean stitch job, and overall detailed finish could hold its own. Maybe even get you lucky tonight too. So if you know a hoarder, send this to them and let them know you care and are thinking about their pocket addiction too. So when I found the FLEXTAIL Max Fan Pro that spins at 14,000 RPM, basically faster than you can overthink your next social interaction, with a damn ice pack built into the metal face of it too. And to top it all off, the built-in carabiner means not only does it double as a stand for full uncle mode, but now you have no excuse to forget to take it with you. More than enough for yourself up top and down low, and charges with USB-C too. Cha-ching. For more of the best tech accessories, everyday carry, and all things gadget, sign up to our newsletter, Supply, where we send even more gear we find, but can't include into videos. But that's it. I rest my iPad folio thing.